And then you can see the increment of the grid is 50 and 50. Okay, so it is very beautiful. Okay, interesting. And then from now, you can see for the 2D window, for example, show the axis also. Okay, so you can see for the 2D window, the axis, and also for the 3-dimensional window, you can see the axis as well. All right, so far so good. And then if we go to the processes again, okay, processes. And if we go to the top, you can see corner point gridding. Okay, for the, so it's corner point gridding, the gridding system using corner point. Okay, and then we need to create horizons. Okay, and again, everything that involve processes making something, right? Yeah, the processes you do in processes type. But if you want to see the description of your model, what your model has, you go to the models. Okay, now we go to the processes. You can see make horizons here. Double click. All right, make horizons with new model, which is 3D grid, the name of our model. Okay, and then we will create horizons. I want to create 2 horizons, append item in the table, 1 and 2. Okay, so we have horizon number 1 and horizon number 2. I will expand it a little bit. Okay, you see, we need to input the horizon with something that is available already. Okay, and we need to input the horizon here. Input container for surface, lines or points. Okay, and we will call the horizon from the skeleton. Okay, so we go to the model. If I want to find something, or if I want to find the skeleton of my model, it means you will go to the model. Okay, you go to model and you can see the skeleton here. Okay, I want to create the top model as the horizon or top horizon. Okay, I want to use the top skeleton as the top horizon. Okay, so I point like this one, and then I go to the top skeleton, right click, and then I push convert to surface. Okay, and then click this one, get surface lines or points from selected item. I have selected the top skeleton and I push this button. Or something happened. Accept points, polygon, surfaces, surface attributes, interpretation attributes. Okay. Let me try once again. Okay. Wait a minute. Let's see if we do this one. The skeleton itself, convert to surface. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, I see. I think I did some mistakes. The horizon will be in input. So let's find the input. Here we have input here, and then I will expand this one. Okay. Yeah, we have like this one. Maybe I will delete this first. Okay. Delete content. and also delete this one. Yeah, yeah, this is the mistake that we need to be careful. Okay, all right, let's start again. Because here what we need is input, we need to get the input from this input tab. Okay, all right, but first I will change it. The name will be top horizon and base horizon. Okay, the horizon again will be taken from the skeleton. So we go to the model, the skeleton, right click, convert to surface. All right, now you can see we have top, mid, and base, as the skeletons that now they turn to be input. Okay, so for the first step, I select this one. Okay, I select the top, get surface, lines, or points from selected item. Okay, so now the top horizon is based on the top skeleton. And for the base horizon, this one will be from base. Okay, base. I selected it and then there. All right, so far so good. Okay, so from here, we go to apply. Okay, now you see, you can see the horizon, right?